All right, guys, I will not be there tomorrow morning, so I'm recording this video during my prep hour. But essentially what we're going to do is start our next unit, which is on energy. So I'm going to go through the first few slides with you guys, and I'm going to pause and allow you time to fill in the notes. Then I'm going to post a second video where we're going to go through and talk about how to complete the homework as well as going through the practice problems. So you need to be on page 2, so just inside the packet, and we will start by going through just kind of some overview about energy. Okay, so energy, essentially, if we had to give a definition, okay, it says the ability to cause change. Whenever we see energy, okay, energy is a multitude of different things. Okay, we have electrical energy, which we can see down low with these currents. You have chemical energy. When I think of chemical energy, you can think about your own digestive system as you chemically break down those foods for energy. Okay, and then we have other examples like radiant and then thermal energy. And so when you think about energy, think about, okay, is this something that's able to cause change? And by change, usually it means something is moving or we see some sort of reaction occur and for this change to happen. So I'll allow you guys to write this down and then we'll move on to the next slide. Okay. So, like I was saying, energy is the ability to do work and cause change. So, we use a specific unit whenever we talk about energy, and that unit is called the joules. Okay, so we measure energy in joules. And when we go through energy, we're going to calculate it in two different ways. And so today we're going to learn about the first kind of energy. Okay, energy of a moving object. And that is called kinetic energy. So that's what we're only going to worry about today, is kinetic energy. So we know that energy is the ability to cause change. It's measured in joules, and there's many different types of energy. We gave a few examples with electrical and chemical and thermal and radiant. Okay, those are all versions of energy. When we talk about kinetic energy, it's the energy of something moving. Okay, and this is the equation that we're going to use. So I would like you to write down this equation in your notes. So what we see is kinetic energy, which we will give a value in joules, equals half of our mass, which will always be in kilograms, times its velocity. Okay, and we're going to square that number. So if we look at it down here, kinetic energy equals 1/2 mv squared, if we wanted to say it that way. And so what you'll see at the bottom of your page is 4 different examples. So we're going to go through those in our next video. The purpose of this video was to get that top half of notes done. So once you have that done, we will move on to the next one. Okay. So we will do our next video, and that will also be posted in Classroom for you.